So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, today we are going to solve a very interesting problem which was asked for SD1 role in September 2023. CTC was 75 lakhs. So if you want 75 lakhs, you need to solve this problem. What is the problem all about? The problem's name is word matching. A search engine tries to suggest words for probable misspelled words by word matching. Blah 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 blah. Guys, I assume that you now know how to read big paragraphs. Always remember these big paragraphs you will have to read for online assessment. Got it? So, if you do that, only then you will crack such packages, right? 48 LPA, Microsoft, etc. So, always remember to crack an OA. Point number 0. We will start with point number 0 because we are programmers. You should be having a very good English skills, okay? You should be able to read big paragraphs and you should be able to turn it into 2 to 3 lines. Okay. Now, guys, I want my students to write in the chat what is the 2 to 3 line meaning of the question. Is there any intelligent student who can write that? What is the meaning of the question? Once you are able to understand the meaning of the question, then you have to solve the question. For that, you need in-depth practice of different hard unseen problems. That's it. Now, the thing is, guys, first I need to clear the understanding of the problem, right? I need to clear the understanding. Understanding of problem basically says that we are given two strings. A and B. You are allowed to do operations. You are a surgeon, okay, heart surgeon. You're allowed to do operations on string A. Output yes if string A can be converted to string B. Now the best thing about this problem is that I have not prepared much for this one, okay? I'm just randomly coming here and I will try to bring the solution organically for you so that you learn how to think of a question, okay? That's why I did not prepare anything in advance. I like raw and real stuff, okay? So guys, we are given two strings A and B. You're allowed to do some operations on A. After doing the operations on A, you have to convert your A to B. That's it. That's it. Guys, this is a simple. What are the operations that we have not discussed? We are given two strings A and B. We have to do some operations on string A, and the string A should be converted to string B. You have to output yes if you can convert the string A to string B. And अगर आपके अंदर दम नहीं है, then you have to output no. It means basically you are not able to convert string A to string B. Okay. Else output no. If string A cannot be converted to string B. Okay. Good. Let me see now what the students in my chat have written. Let's see what intelligent people have written. Pritisha, convert string with two given operations. Guys, emojis for Amitava. Amitava is again doing good performance. We'll have to check whether we can convert the given string to resultant string by following the two type. नयन ने भी लिखा नहीं guys, वो दो ऑपरेशन कौन से वो लिख के बताओ. Which are those two operations? Which are those operations? You can swap any a of I with a of I plus 1. Okay, for any I. Which is from obviously from 0 to n minus 2. Means you can swap any two adjacent characters. This operation you are allowed to do. Second operation is very tricky. Pick a substring of length k and increase all the characters of that substring. But the thing is that before doing the operations, you have to fix the k. Before doing any operation, you have to fix k. You have to fix the k. And one more thing, k will always be greater than equal to 2, or else it would be very easy. Got it, guys? So they are saying that you have a string A. You can do any number of swaps you want on the string A, okay? Or else you can pick any substring of length k of string A and increase all the characters of that substring by same quantity. That's it, guys. That's it. Now I will try to go deeper into this rabbit hole. Guys, ready to go deeper? Start writing yes in the chat. Good job, Nayan. Love you, love you. Guys, ready to go deeper? Yes. Now, all of you should be very, very attentive, or else you will never understand the question. Say the string A is this. B, C, D. And string B is D, C, B. Guys, tell me, can A be converted to B? Sahil and everyone, using these operations, what can you do? You can swap whatever you want. Can by doing any kind of swapping BCD converted to DCB? Tell me in the chat, guys. If yes, tell me what swaps I have to do. Only adjacent swaps are allowed. Still you can achieve this. I can give you a guarantee. I can give you a guarantee. It is very easy. It is. I want BCD converted to DCB. It means D should be at the first position, right? So B, C, D. I will first swap C and D. So how will it look? B, D, C. Then I will swap B and D. Will look D, B, C. And what did I want? I wanted DCB. So DBC ka I will swap this BC. So this will become DCB. Job done. Congratulations. You are successful. Actually, this problem has been taught in the initial code, in initial sessions of the hashing course also. That given two strings, tell me if they are anagrams or not. This is the same question. The first operation is the same question. That given two strings, let's say you are allowed to do only this operation. Let's say you are allowed to do only this operation. You can swap any characters. How will you know if they can be made equal or not? It is common sense. It is common sense. Whenever anyone tells you in the question, for what is the first observation? What is the first observation? Operation 1 means operation 1 means you can convert your given string to any permutation you want, but frequency of all characters will remain same. This is the most important thing, guys. So how will let's say only operation 1 is allowed. How will you find out? Can anyone tell me? If only operation 1 is allowed, how will you find out? If A can be converted to B? How will you find out? Use your common sense. First thing, the length of both of them should be same. First thing is that the length of both of them should be same. Okay. Obviously, guys, this is your string A. You write here Z, A, B, and you write B as XY. Guys, can Z, A, B ever converted to XY? Tell me in the chat. Can it ever be converted to XY? अरे दोनों का लेंथ ही सेम नहीं है तो क्या ही होगा? समझे? कॉमन सेंस है कि नहीं ये बात? हाँ, बराबर लेंथ ही सेम नहीं है तो कैसे उसको उसमें कन्वर्ट कर सकता है? एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर ऐड करना तो अलाउड ही नहीं है. गॉट इट? फर्स्ट थिंग इज द लेंथ शुड बी सेम. सेकंड थिंग, say this is ABC, this is CBD. Using only operation 1, can you convert A to B? Only operation 1 is allowed. Which operation? Swapping. You can swap any characters in the string A. Can it be converted to ABC? Can it be converted to ABC? No. Can anyone tell me the reason? Reason is that B string has a D and D is not there in string A. Got it? It means whatever is the frequency of character A, B, C, D till Z in A, it should be the exact same in string B. Got it? Got it? Got it? Whatever is the frequency of character A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. अरे कितना लिखूंगा? Till Z. Whatever is the frequency of these characters in string A, Google Doc is okay. Let's not say anything about it. Whatever is the frequency of these characters in string A, it should be exactly the same in string B. That's it. You can easily do with the help of hashing. You can easily do it with the help of hashing. For example, I will create a hash map which will store the frequencies of each character. I will create two hash maps. Okay, let's create two hash maps and let's see if we can do it. Let's say my string A is like this: x x y y z z. String B is y x y x z z. Now, how will the hash map look like for string A? X is coming for two times, so left में x, right में two. Y is coming for two times, left में y, right में two. Z is coming for two times, left में z, right में two. So how will the hash map look for B, guys? X, two times x coming, okay. Two times y coming, okay. Two times z coming, okay. So basically it means if both the hash maps are equivalent, it means A can be converted to B. बिकॉज यू ओनली वॉन्ट कि जितनी बार इसमें एक्स आया ना उतनी बार इसमें भी एक्स होना चाहिए, जितनी बार इसमें वाई आया उतनी बार इसमें भी वाई होना चाहिए, जितनी बार इसमें जेड आया उतनी बार इसमें भी जेड होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम स्वैप करके उसको कोई भी ऑर्डर में तो ला सकते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. अगर हर कैरेक्टर की फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम है ना दोनों में, तो आप स्वैप करके उसको कोई भी ऑर्डर में लाके कैसा भी बना सकते हो, वो टेंशन की बात ही नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल what I'm trying to say is that if two strings have the same quantity of characters, they can always be made equal by doing any kind of swaps. Always remember that. For example, A is ABCC and B is CBAC. C is coming for two times. Here also C coming for two times. B coming for one time. Here also B coming for one time. A coming for one time. A coming for one time. So obviously you can do some swaps and reach there. But guys, if it was ABCD, then it wouldn't work, because D is coming for one time and D is not coming here at all. So guys, the final conclusion is that whatever characters which are coming in the A string, it should be coming for the same number of times in the string B, because swaps don't affect anything. You can do the swaps and you can reach any other transformation you want, but the inner composition of the frequency of character should be same. So always remember this thing, that you can easily do it with the help of hashing by making two maps. I'm making two maps for the clarity. Smart people can do it with one map also, by doing that plus and minus on the same character. Kumar K knows that trick, don't worry. But he is more focused on explaining these things to the beginners. That's why we'll make two maps and you will check if all the contents of the map are same for each character. Because always remember, if the inner content of both strings is same, then for sure by doing some swaps on A, it will be converted to B. Always remember this fact, guys. Okay, never forget it. So guys, if only operation 1 would be allowed, what we would do, is this clear? मैप की फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल से, हाँ, yes, I clearly explained it. If the map frequency is same, then you will always get the answer. Now Karandeep is saying, bhaiya, what is the proof that adjacent swap can convert to by doing adjacent? Guys, can anyone answer the question of Karandeep? Bhaiya, I am only doing adjacent swaps any number of time. How can you guarantee that I can convert my permutation to any other permutation? For example, let's say you have this array 2, 3, 1 and 4, right? Do you know bubble sort? Bubble sort only does adjacent swap, right? By doing adjacent swap, bubble sort is able to convert it into full sorted array. And you won't be able to convert it into some random other array, हाँ? जब एडजेसेंट स्वैप करने से एरे पूरा सॉर्ट हो सकता है, तो एडजेसेंट स्वैप करने से कुछ वो दूसरा नहीं बन सकता. अरे आप इसको जितने भी परम्यूटेशन थे ना, सब बना सकते हो, क्योंकि एडजेसेंट स्वैप करके कोई भी एलिमेंट किधर भी जा सकता है. ये चीज आप नोटिस नहीं कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव 2 3 1 4. से आई हैव 2 3 1 4. Now I want to make, say, 4 2 1 3. Very easy for me. What will I do? Simple algorithm. First I will swap adjacently and I will make the 4 reach here. So how will it look? It will look like this: 2 4 1 3. Then I want 3 here, right? So I will do the 3 adjacent swap again and again. I will make 3 reach at the start, or okay. First I should make reach, I think, one and the end. So let's say I make one reach in the end. So it looks like this, right? 2, 4, 3, 1. Now what do I want? I want ki this 3 goes there and this 2 goes there. Obviously you can do some more swaps. Okay, you can do some more swaps. Let's say मैं 3 को एकदम आगे लेके चले जाता हूँ एडजेसेंट कर करके, तो कैसा दिखेगा? 3, 2, 4, 1. मुझे क्या चाहिए था? 4 चाहिए था, फिर 2 चाहिए था. लो स्वैप कर लिया, फिर से आ गया 3, 4, 2, 1. हो गया करणदीप विश्वास. कैसे भी कैसे स्वैप करके कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर गाइस? एवरीवन स्टार्ट राइटिंग यस दैट I understand that by doing swaps you can reach any permutation of the array or the string. If you do many swaps, you can reach any permutation. All the permutations of the... There are n factorial permutations. In 10th standard, your teacher might have taught you. You can reach all of them by doing swaps in the array or substring. But there is one condition. What is that condition? Can anyone tell me? The content should be same. इसमें भी 2 एक बार था, इसमें भी 3 एक बार था, इसमें भी 1 एक बार था, इसमें भी 4 एक बार था, इसमें भी 3 एक बार था, इसमें भी 4 एक बार था, इसमें भी 2. अंदर का माल सेम होना चाहिए. बाहर कौन से ऑर्डर में फर्क नहीं करता, स्वैप करके सेम करवा सकते हैं. So if the Atlassian OA was asking that you are only allowed to do operation 1, we have solved the question. We will make the hash map of both of them and we will check if all the character frequencies are same or not. But that is a very easy question. For that you will not get 75 lakh rupees. Ha ha ha. Question is something else. You can do operation number 2 as well. दूसरी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, इसकी वजह से क्वेश्चन बहुत हार्ड है. Any person who said, like most of the people whom I know were not able to solve this question. Okay, that's why solving this will give us extra edge over others. Okay, so guys, second operation क्या है? Select a substring of length k where all characters are same. Increase each character to its alphabetically next character, a to bb, like that. And substring, like if it is z, you cannot increment it anymore. Okay, yeah. So guys, now listen to me very very carefully. Operation 1 and operation 2 both are allowed. Let's see how intelligent my student is. Guys, this is string A, this is string B. Can string A be converted to B? If yes, please explain me. If yes, please explain me. You have to select a K because operation 1 is not enough. Operation 1 is not enough. So you have to do operation 2. You have to select a K. Let me select K equal to 2. K equal to 2 means I can select a substring of size 2 which is having equal characters and increase. So I will select this 2AA. I will convert the AA to CC. Got it? I will select this BB. BB. I will increase and I will make it DD. Got it, guys? So operation 2 basically means you pick up the characters which are equal, then you increase them. That's it. By doing this, if you are able to make A to B, then you have to write yes. Guys, is the understanding clear? Is the understanding clear of the second operation? Everyone write yes in the chat, guys. Quick. Nice. Okay. My job is really hard. Okay. Very hard job. Very hard. Even harder than normal Amazon HD job. This one is very difficult because the questions I have to explain are very difficult. Anyways, let's get back to the job. Guys, next thing. Another question I am giving you. Please give me the answer. A, B, C, C, D, D. This is the string A, string B. Can you convert the A to B? You are allowed to use both kind of operations. Operation 1, operation 2. Tell me in the chat, guys. Quick. How is it possible? No, you can increase as many as times you want. 1 crore infinity times. But only increase is allowed. Guys, बताओ ये कैसे हुआ? आपने AB को CCDD में कैसे कर लिया? कोई बताएगा? कोई स्मार्ट बच्चा बताए. सबसे पहले आपने AB को क्या किसमें कन्वर्ट किया? First you will do operation 1 on it. You will swap and you will make AB to... You will make AB to A. दोनों A आगे डाल दोगे और दोनों B पीछे कर दोगे. स्वैप करके तो कैसे भी कर सकते हो ना उसको. फिर ये वाले A को CC बना लोगे, ये वाले B को DD बना लोगे. क्लियर गाइस? क्लियर और नॉट? गाइस, ये सबको समझ आना चाहिए. That you first do few operation 1 swapping and then operation 2. Pritisha, such an intelligent student. Give emojis for Pritisha. She gave the first answer. Yes, Istakar. Yes, Piyush Ray. Yes, Rohit ji. Sahil, clear? Chalo, अब next बात. Tilak is also a very good student. So guys, now what to do? This is clear, but now I want to discuss one more test case. Let's say my string A is looking like this. And string B is like this. Can you convert the string A to string B? अब बहुत लोग फंसेंगे और मेरे को मजा आने वाला है. Can you convert string A to string B? Why no? Can anyone write why no? Why no? कर सकता हूँ ना. ये लो, ये ए को सीसी कर दिया और ये बीबीबी को डीडी कर दिया. इसमें क्या गलत है बताओ, कोई अच्छा बच्चा बताएगा. बिकॉज के इज फिक्स्ड, यू कैनॉट चेंज द के. मजे नहीं चल रहे हैं. के को आपको फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. कभी 2 साइज का, कभी 3 साइज का हलवा नहीं चल रहा है. के फिक्स है. जो के फिक्स किया वही साइज के लोग को. अगर आपने के 2 किया है तो आपको 2 का पकड़ के 2 को बढ़ाना है. यहां पर भी 2 का पकड़ के ही बढ़ा सकते हो बीबी को. ये वाला भी ऐसे ही रह जाएगा. इसके कोई माई बाप नहीं है. नो वन इज देयर टू हेल्प यू. सो के इज फिक्स्ड. दिस इज नॉट अ जोक क्वेश्चन. K is fixed. You cannot make say कि भाई पहले my K is 2, then I will change my K to 3. No, that's not allowed. Not allowed. K is always fixed no matter what. K is always fixed no matter what. Now, what will be the K that they have not given in the problem? You have to decide your own K. How difficult this question is. They did not do any sympathy with you. K भी बोल रहे खुद से सोचो, हो सकता है क्या? उस हिसाब से देखो. Oh, bhai. Anyways, guys, can you think why they are saying k greater than 1? Can you think why they are saying k greater than 1? Can you think why they are saying k greater than 1? K equal to 1 allowed क्यों नहीं कर रहे हम जैसे नन्हे लोग को? क्योंकि गाइस, इफ k इक्वल टू 1 तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. आप कोई भी लेटर को बढ़ा के इक्वल कर सकते हो. आपका काम ही खत्म हो जाएगा. लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम ही खत्म. If k equal to 1, it means you can select any character and increase it to any character you want. So that also will work only. That also will work only if string A ka all the characters, if you sort them, sort of A is less than equal to sort of B. Okay ना? This is also a very important condition. मतलब समझो आपका A में कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे है, A Z Z, और B में कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे है, B B D D. तो कभी आप A को B में कन्वर्ट ही नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि A की वैल्यू, टोटल A की वैल्यू B से बड़ी है. ये तो B में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, पर ये Z Z D में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा. Z सबसे बड़ा, उसको और बड़ा थोड़ी कर सकते हैं. So whatever letters are coming in the A ना, if you make them in a sorted format, each of the characters should be less than equal to the sorted format of B. ये छोटी चीजें याद रखना, क्योंकि आप सिर्फ ऊपर जा सकते हो जिंदगी में, नीचे नहीं जा सकते. Because you are Kumar के student, you are only allowed to increase your power, not decrease, or stay at the same level. Got it, guys? Clear? Yes, if k equal to 1, then it is 5LP only. Yeah. No. So guys, is this clear? That's why to confuse you, they have given k equal to 2. Sorry, k greater than 1. You can take it as 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. Whatever you want. Now guys, let's do some greedy observations. Always remember, when can you run a greedy algorithm? I taught it in so many of my sessions and courses. You, in greedy algorithm, you can only do it if you make a choice. You make a choice that this is the best, and you have only one choice, and it is guaranteed that this is the best now as well as for the distant future. If all these things are coming true, then you can use the greedy algorithm. What is the meaning of greedy algorithm? You make a choice that I should be making this move, and there is no other choice. Only one choice is available. Also, you can check that this choice is the good one for now, and this choice is even good for 20 operations from now. So if all this is confirmed, then you can say the greedy algorithm is working. How can you check if your greedy algorithm is working? By using this strategies. And the second thing is, you can try to disapprove your greedy algorithm. Remember, in 10th standard mathematics, You used to disapprove the theorems, and the theorems you are not able to disapprove. Remember? Contradiction. So by contradiction also you can prove that your greedy algorithm will work or not. So guys, now comes the real deal. Get ready. Get ready, guys. Get ready. I have not given you any greedy algo. Okay. I want to first let my students organically tell the solution. Okay. We will organically reach this solution, not by what others are saying. So let's say I have A, C, B, C, D, D. A, C, B, A, C, B, C, D, D. And the second test case is A, B, E, D, D. A, B, E, D, D. A, B, E, D, E, D. Guys, this is my string A, this is my string B. Guys, can you focus on my first observation? My first observation is that you can always make the string sorted. Guys, आप इस बात को मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो? सब लोग यस में लिखो चैट में. अलार्म को भी अभी बजना था. सुबह 5 बजे तो बजता नहीं है, शाम को. Anyways, guys, can you agree that string A can always become sorted? Guys, do you agree that string A will become sorted? How it will become sorted whenever you want? आपके मुट्ठी पे बैठा है, उसको बोलोगे सॉर्ट हो जा, सॉर्ट हो जाएगा. क्योंकि बबल सॉर्ट करेंगे. बबल सॉर्ट में एडजेसेंट स्वैप यूज कर दे, सॉर्ट कर लिया. तो सॉर्ट करना जरूरी क्यों है गाइस? कभी कोई कॉमन सेंस लगा सकता है सॉर्ट क्यों करना पड़ रहा है? ताकि हम इक्वल कैरेक्टर्स को साथ में ले पाए. इट इज रिटन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट यू कैन ओनली इंक्रीज द कैरेक्टर इफ दे आर इक्वल ना. So let's sort. How will it look after sorting? So guys, the algorithm is that whenever you get A, now you sort it for better visualization. And second thing is, if you have equal characters together now, you can increase them if needed. So A, B, C, C, D, D. Guys, I want all people to write yes in the chat if they are understanding that this is our observation, that you should always sort the first string for better visualization. And one more thing, and also to make sure if anything you want to increase, you can increase because of same characters together. Got it, guys? Because of same characters together. So I sort this. It looks like what? A, B, double C, double D. So guys, can you see one thing? That how many A's do you have here? कितना A है आपके पास फर्स्ट रिंग में? आपका A 1 है. ठीक है. आपके पास B कितना है? 1 है. B मेरे पास 1 है. और C कितने हैं? 2. D कितने हैं? 2. ये है फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग का स्टेटस. मैं क्या चाहता हूं, ये सब किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाए? ये सब किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाए? इट्स गिवन हियर. It should be converted at a place where A is coming one time, B is coming one time. Let me write. A is coming one time, B is coming one time, D is coming 2 time, and E is coming 2 time. I want कि ये ऐसा हो जाए कि ये ऐसा दिखने लग जाए. Guys, do you agree or not that you want this is the current status of your characters. You want to convert it to this status. So you can easily do it. You compare the first character. Okay, coming same number of time. Ignore in the algorithm. You compare the second character. Okay, coming for same number of times. You ignore in the algorithm. You see, yeah, C is coming for 2 times. D is also coming for 2 times. Let me change the 2C to 2D by using K equal to 2. Then K equal to 2 is now fixed. Okay. Then you see D is coming 2 times, E is coming 2 times. Let's use K equal to 2 again. Other K you cannot use. You converted it. So basically आपने इसको convert कर लिया. C को D कर, मतलब D में convert कर लिया. तो कैसा दिख रहा है? अभी ऐसा दिखेगा. A, B, D, D, E, E. Now guys, it can easily be converted to the final string. Can anyone tell me yes and how? I converted it to a string which is an anagram of the final string, but it can always be converted to the original string also. So Why guys it can be converted to the original string? Swapping. So guys main question का मतलब क्या था? Now पूरा खदोड़ने के बाद क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है? दैट द कंटेंट ऑफ बोथ द स्ट्रिंग शुड बी सेम. ऑर्डर से मतलब ही नहीं. एवरीवन स्टार्ट राइटिंग यस इन द चैट इफ दे अंडरस्टैंड. Only content of both strings should be same. Everyone start writing nicely. Final meaning of the problem is, that's how you have to analyze to become a pro coder. Final meaning of the question is that content of both the strings should be same. Content guys, content should be same, which means what? Frequency of characters in both string should be same. Order does not matter. Order does not matter because you are allowed to do swapping. Now guys, question is very simple. Now you can finally solve it. Given two strings, make their content same by fixing a k. Given two strings, make their content the same by fixing a k. So guys, what will you do? First you try for k equal to 2, then you try for k equal to 3, then you try for k equal to 4. Like this you should do till length of the string k equal to n. Whichever of these gives a true value, it means it is possible. Got it? Only one k. Okay. Even if a single k gives true value, it means it's possible to convert A to B. There are so many girls in this world. Even if one of them accepts your proposal, you can do marriage. Got it guys? Others don't need to say yes to you. So even if a single k gives true value, it means it's possible to convert A to B guys. Clear? Is it clear? Yes or no guys? Guys, is it clear? हाँ, अब मैं थोड़ा सा डिटेल में समझाता हूँ. अभी गेम इतना इजी नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे हो. ठीक है, अब ध्यान से देखो क्या होता है. अब मजा आने वाली है. सो गाइज, व्हाट विल बी माय एल्गोरिदम? अब आएगी मजे. सो गाइज, एल्गोरिदम इन ग्रीडी ना, इट शुड ऑलवेज बी फोर्स्ड एल्गोरिदम. मीन्स यू हैव नो अदर ऑप्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके इधर महंगी कंपनी आ रही है, आपको डीएसए आता नहीं है और आपको ओए का प्रैक्टिस करना है. आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, आपको कुमार के इधर एनरोल होना पड़ेगा. बाकी कोई तो पढ़ाता ही नहीं है. गॉट इट? So greedy algorithm you use when there is no option in life. So let's say we take general cases of string A and string B. Okay guys, this is string A, string B. Let's say its content. A is coming for A1 number of times, B is coming for B1 number of times, like this till Z. Okay, similarly guys, in B na, A is coming for A2 number of times, B is coming for B2 number of times, like this till Z is coming for Z2 number of times. Guys, is this content everyone is able to visualize? I am taking a general case. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. क्या हर कोई कंटेंट विजुअलाइज कर पा रहा है? सब लिखो. अनिमेश आप भी लिखिए जल्दी. सबने एनालाइज कर लिया? क्या कह रहा हूं मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि सब ये B1 C1 0 भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, आई एम सेइंग assume that you have a string A is coming for A1 time, B is coming for B1 time, like till Z. Similarly for B, A is coming for A2 time, B coming for B2 time till Z, Z coming for Z2 time. Is this clear guys? अच्छा गाइस, अब बताओ मुझे. सबसे पहले बताओ, सबसे पहले एक बात बताना. सबसे पहले मुझे एक बात बताना, ठीक है? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बात. स्ट्रिंग ए को स्ट्रिंग बी में कन्वर्ट करना है. क्या इस बात से सब does everyone agree that we have to convert string A to string B? Write yes in the chat. So guys, there is a problem going on. You want to convert string A to string B. It means that let's say there are some A's here and there are some A's here. Okay, let's say in the string A na, the A is coming for 3 times, and in this string A is coming for 5 times. You will never be able to convert A to B. Why? Because you can only increase the amount, like you can only increase this 3A, you can make it 3B or 3C or 3D. You cannot increase the A itself. Got it, guys? There is a very big condition here that whatever amount of A you have, na, A1 should always be greater than equal to A2. Guys, everyone write A1 greater than equal to A2. This is a very important condition. Condition number 1. A1 should always be greater than equal to A2, or else the answer is no. Guys, do you agree or not? अगर अगर तुम्हारी स्ट्रिंग में ए 3 बार आ रहा है, तुम चाहते हो उसको बी में बना लो जिसमें ए 5 बार आ रहा है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। अगर इसमें ए 3 बार आ रहा है, समझो इसमें बी 2 बार आ रहा है, तो ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते कि बी को भी ए बना ले, क्योंकि हम whatever character is given you can increase it, you cannot decrease it, only increase is allowed. सो ए को आप सिर्फ ए से बड़ा कर सकते हो, छोटा नहीं कर सकते। ये नहीं बोल सकते कि भैया 2b था ना, ये 2b को 2a कर दो, नहीं, बढ़ाना ही अलाउड है, कम करना अलाउड नहीं है पिताजी। ऑलवेज ओनली इंक्रीज। That's why if you have less number of A's here and more number of A's here, it's never possible to solve this problem. Everyone write A1 should be greater than equal to A2. गलत लिख रहे हो निंसी, बड़ा होना चाहिए A1. We can increase the value but not quantity. Guys, emojis for Nayan. I'm going to write the Nayan's law this time again. Nayan did what I wanted. Congratulations, Nayan. Congratulations. Lots of congratulations, Nayan. Lots of congratulations. According to Nayan's law. देखो, जिसने लिखा वही मेरा फेवरेट स्टूडेंट। जो A1 greater than equal to A2 लिखेगा वही अच्छा बच्चा है, बाकी सब गंदे बच्चे। 75 lakh Nayan, sure. So guys, this is according to Nayan's law. This recording will go down in history and everyone will remember that Nayan gave the answer. According to Nayan's law, what is Nayan's law, guys? What is Nayan's law? That we can increase the value but not quantity. ये आपको रियल में भी करना है. Increase the value of the questions which you are solving, not the quantity, to improve in DSA. So the thing is that according to Nayan's law, आप A को बड़ा कर सकते हो, आप A को B बना सकते हो, C बना सकते हो, D बना सकते हो, A की क्वांटिटी नहीं बढ़ा सकते। तो दिस A1 should always be greater than equal to A2। तो चलो वो वाला भी केस लेके देख लेते हैं। सपोज यू हैव फिक्स्ड योर K as 2, ठीक है, K2 फिक्स कर दिया, तो मैं क्या, यहाँ पर A समझो 5 बार आ रहा है, कितनी बार आ रहा है? 5 बार आ रहा है, ओके। Here the A is coming as 3. Yes, this is valid. A1 is greater than equal to A2. This is A1, A2. And let's say यहाँ पर जो B है वो 3 बार आ रहा है और यहाँ पर जो B है वो 5 बार आ रहा है, ठीक है, ठीक है। Guys, what will happen first? What will happen? Can anyone tell me? You will see that my A is coming for 5 times and A is coming for 3 times. So how many times do you need A to make the string B? कितनी बार A चाहिए? How many times do you need A? A कितनी बार चाहिए? अरे 3 बार चाहिए, 3 बार चाहिए, 3 बार चाहिए, ठीक है। चलो दूसरा केस ले लेते हैं। Let's say my A to me was given as say 2, okay, ये 2 दे रखा था मुझे, ठीक है, ये मुझे 2 दे रखा है, ठीक है, और ये चलो मैं ले लेता हूँ 4। Let me take a nicer case which will work ना, let me think for a second। So इसको इधर उतना दे दिया, 2 इसमें 2 उसमें गया, फिर ये 2 और 3 5 हो जाएंगे ना, 5 नहीं चाहिए, 8 चाहिए। तो ये गाइज ये 8 है, ये 8 है, ठीक है, ये 8 है और ये 5 है। नहीं नहीं यार, एक सेकेंड, ये भी, ये 6 होना चाहिए, 6। ओके गाइज, नाउ अनदर केस। This A is given to you as 4, this B is given to you as 6. You want to convert this content to this content, where your A is given as 2 and B is given as 8. Now the kind of teaching and harder variations which I am doing this, no one is doing in India. So my job is very hard. Always support me, okay? So guys, A is given as 4, B is given as 6, K is 2. क्या करोगे आप जरा बोलना? I have 4 A's but I only want 2 A's. So बाकी के 2 A का सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ेगा। गाइस समझ रहे हो कि नहीं समझ रहे इस बात को? हमको फाइनल स्ट्रिंग में कितने A चाहिए? बोलो चैट में लिखो। How many A do I want in the final string? 2A I want in the final string. But how many A do I have? I need 2 but I have 4. So Rest of the 2a I will sacrifice. So what will I do? I will sacrifice a1 minus a2. a1 minus a2. बेसिकली मेरी स्ट्रिंग ऐसे दिख रही थी. स्ट्रिंग कैसे दिख रही थी? ऐसी दिख रही थी. ए ये 4 बार है और बी 6 बार है. ठीक है. मुझे फाइनल स्ट्रिंग में क्या चाहिए कि ए 2 बार ही आए. मुझे क्या चाहिए कि ए 2 बार ही आए भाई. ठीक है. ए 2 बार आए और बी 8 बार आए. बी 8 बार आए. अभी देखो विजुअलाइज होगा. तो क्या करूंगा मैं? ओके, a1 greater than equal to a2. Yes, this is clear. So what is the extra, guys? What is the extra? a1 minus a2 is the extra. a1 is what? 4. a2 is what? 2. 4 minus 2 2. ये दो a है, ये एक्स्ट्रा. ये क्या है गाइस? एक्स्ट्रा. ये हमको नहीं चाहिए. ये हमको नहीं चाहिए. तो मैं क्या कर दूंगा? I will make all these a's, I will convert it to b. Common sense. Increase it. You have no other option. You have no other option. Increase it to b. So if I increase it to b, my left content will look like a is 2 and b is now 6 plus 2 8. Right content would look like a is 2 and b is 8. And my problem is solved because b's frequency will be matching. Got it, guys? This is the simple algorithm. Whatever you did for the first one, na, similarly you will do for b, similarly you will do for c till z. Got it? सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? आप यहाँ पर स्टक हो. आप क्या हो? यहाँ पर स्टक हो. पहली बात तो आपका a1 greater than equal to a2 होना चाहिए. If you get it, it means what? a1 minus a2 is extra. a1 minus a2 is extra. So you will convert this extra to b. Always convert it to b. क्योंकि इसको कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, इसको बढ़ाना ही पड़ेगा. ये हमको एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए ही नहीं. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा है वो बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. समझ रहे हो? और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है आपके पास. उसको रख ही नहीं सकते अपने घर में. और मैं क्यों उसको बी को कर रहा हूं? मैं इसको जेड क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Because if I make it B, then there are options that I will be able to increase it in the future as per need. C, D, E, F, G, Z. पहले ही होशियारी मारने की जरूरत नहीं है डायरेक्ट Z करने की. कॉमन सेंस यूज करो. समझे? पहले उसको सिर्फ B में ही बढ़ाओ. बढ़ाने को दिया, ऐसा नहीं सीधे Z कर दिया, फिर तो कभी बढ़ ही नहीं पाएगा. Use this greedy technique. Always remember. Now guys, there is one trick which all of you missed. Whatever is this leftover ना, this leftover should always be divisible by k. नहीं तो आपकी लग जाएगी. समझाता हूं कैसे आपकी लगेगी. समझो आपका k है 2 है. ठीक है. Your a is looking like this and your b is looking like this. Okay ना? No. Your b is looking like, say, let me think. Your b is second string is looking like this. Okay. So इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? You will say that, okay, what will you do, guys? What will you do? This can get very, very confusing for you. What will you do here? What will you do? You have no other option. No other option. You will say that whatever, say I have how many? I have 3 A's, right? You will say that I have 3A. I will convert this 3A to this A. Then 1A will be left and this is again wrong. You cannot do that. This is wrong. Cannot do that. Cannot do that. Why you cannot do that? Again, it is common sense because you cannot increase a single a because k is 2. तो जितना भी आपका लेफ्ट ओवर पड़ा होता है ना, वो भी आपको चेक करना पड़ता है. और जितना आप बढ़ा रहे हो वो भी आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा k के हिसाब से. Got it, guys? Guys, do you guys, do you understand that it is tricky, but while increasing you have to check if everything is a divisible of k or not. Start writing yes in the chat if you finally understand that we will have to check कि भाई जो भी बढ़ा रहे हैं और जो भी बचा कुचा है वो सब k का डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन में क्लियरली लिखा है, नहीं तो आपकी लग जाएगी. ठीक है. ओके, गुड, नाइस. So guys, I was thinking of one more thing. Before writing the final algorithm, this is only our final algorithm. I want कि my students devise, take 1 minute and devise a very good final algorithm. Guys, 1 minute given to all of you. बस ये कंटेंट को सेम कैसे करना है उसका आप एल्गोरिथम बताइए क्या होगा. मैंने थोड़े बहुत स्टेप्स ऑलरेडी बता दिया. Few steps I've already given that a1 should be greater than equal to a2. a1 should be greater than equal to a2. a1 should be greater than equal to a2. अब जो सेम है उसको तो चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, ये 3A तो ऑलरेडी सेम है, इनको तो कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। बचा क्या, ये जो बचा है ये K का डिविजिबल होना चाहिए, समझे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल ना, A समझो 5 बार आ रहा था, ठीक है। A इधर in this string A is coming for 5 times and in this string na A is coming for 2 times. Okay, so what will you say? You say A1 is 5, B1 is 0, A1 is 2, sorry A2 is 2, B2 is 3। तो आप क्या बोलोगे, ठीक है ये 2 है, इसका सेम आ गया, एक्स्ट्रा क्या है ये 3, तो मैं ये 3 को B कर दूंगा। आपने क्या बोला, आप 3 को B करना चाहते हैं, आपका K क्या था, 2 था। सो वॉट एवर इज योर लेफ्ट ओवर ना, 3 आपका लेफ्ट ओवर है ना, लेफ्ट ओवर मॉड K शुड बी इक्वल टू 0। इट मीन्स दैट द लेफ्ट ओवर इज डिविजिबल बाय K, तभी तो उसको कर पाओगे। 3 मॉड 2 इक्वल टू 0 नहीं होता है, क्योंकि आप दो दो के चंक्स में बढ़ा सकते हो, समझो बात को। आप योर K is 2, your K is 2, how can you increase 3A to 3B? Not allowed. You can increase the first 2 A's and the last one you will have to leave. बट इसी की जगह अगर आपके पास 4 A बचे होते तो आप उसको B में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, क्योंकि 4 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2। पहले ये दोनों को कर लोगे, फिर ये दोनों को कर लोगे, उसका मल्टीपल है ना। सो वॉट एवर इज द साइज ऑफ द लेफ्ट ओवर, guys everyone write in the chat multiple times, left over mod K should be equal to 0. That's it, problem solved. Congratulations, you have to do the same algorithm. Just make sure whatever is your leftover, that should be mod K equal to 0. Problem has been solved. Very tricky problem, but very interesting. Guys, understood? Everyone start reacting with emojis and start writing leftover mod K equal to 0. Guys, should we now go towards the code part? It has been 1 hour 30 minutes already. Start writing in the yes in the chat. Be quick, guys. Be quick. Guys, I am giving now this document for the code access. Okay, whoever stick to me till now, and I am really happy. See, I am Kumar K. More than 50 adult 20 plus people are listening to me, even though I am solving such hard question. It explains how interesting this session is. So now, whoever is in the meeting, open the document. Now you get the finally the access. So guys, first I will explain the C++ code. Okay. So see guys, we are not doing anything special. What are you doing? You have multiple test cases. Now n is less than equal to 100 in the question. Okay. So what are you doing? You take a string A, you take a string B. Okay. You have this map, V1 map, V5 map. Okay. What you make the map of for the first string. Okay. Whenever the character comes, you increase the frequency. V1 map, V5 map. Clear guys? Clear. Now you will check for each K value from 2 to size of the string minimum. Take minimum of both the strings. Okay, basically length same होनी चाहिए, तो आप K इक्वल टू 2 से लेके K इक्वल टू 3 4 3 एंड तक चेक करोगे। अगर एक भी ट्रू आ जाता है तो आपका तो आंसर 1 होगा ना। yes it is possible, so answer for that will be 1 or else 0. guys, what is the most important in this question? Can anyone tell me कोड में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट कौन सा है? कोई चैट में लिख सकता है कौन सा पार्ट सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है? बाकी सब तो इजी है। इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट क्या है? चेक फंक्शन। गाइस, व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट? हाउ टू चेक if this particular K value will make sure that A can be converted to B. How to check if this particular K value can make A to B? तो मैं K को चेक करने जा रहा हूं। लो चेक कैसे करते हैं। दोनों जो डब्बे हैं, डब्बों का चेक ए से चालू होता है ना। देखे थे कि नहीं देखे थे? पहले A1 A2, फिर B1 B2, फिर B1 B1 B2, C1 C2, D1 D2। तो देखो क्या हो रहा है इस कोड में। G1 is nothing but our A1 and G5 is nothing but our A2. I get the character frequency, first character A character frequency. If G1 greater than equal to G5, yes. If A1 greater than equal to A2, you can do the algorithm, or else return false. मैंने क्या बोला था? A1 हमेशा greater than equal to A2 होना चाहिए, नहीं तो आंसर बन ही नहीं सकता। false रिटर्न कर दो, काम खत्म। Got it? But if A1 is greater than equal to A2, first you will calculate the leftover. Leftover is G1 minus G5. If the leftover is 0, or if the leftover mod K equal to 0, तो क्या करोगे? जो भी leftover है आगे वाले कैरेक्टर में ऐड कर दो। So char u is C plus 1, V1 of u equal to V1 of u plus leftover. और अगर ये भी लेफ्ट ओवर भी मॉड के नहीं है तो फिर से फॉल्स रिटर्न कर दो, नहीं हो सकता, और हो गया आपका गेम ओवर, खत्म। समझ गया गाइस? डिड एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग? स्टार्ट राइटिंग एस इन द चैट, स्टार्ट रिएक्टिंग विद इमोजीज। जावा कोड इज आल्सो एग्जैक्टली सेम, nothing special I'm doing. See, two strings I took, made the maps for them. See, map v1 hash map v5. Then I'm creating this check function to check if it will work properly. Then this check function going from a to z. If g1 greater than equal to g5 तो मैं कुछ करूंगा नहीं, तो फॉल्स रिटर्न करो। और फिर v, अगर इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन आई कैलकुलेट द लेफ्ट ओवर। अगर कुछ लेफ्ट ओवर है ही नहीं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट अगर कुछ लेफ्ट ओवर बच गया है, कुछ लेफ्ट ओवर बच गया है, तो ये जो लेफ्ट ओवर है वो मॉड के 0 होना चाहिए, और जो भी है वो आगे वाले को ऐड कर दो, उसको बी बना दो, उसको एक लेटर बड़ा बना दो, कैर यू इक्वल टू कैर c+1 एंड पुट इट इन द मैप। अपडेट द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द फर्दर कैरेक्टर विच इज गोइंग टू कम। जैसे अमेजोन, जैसे स्पाइडरमैन को पहले दिख जाता है कि आगे जाके ट्रेन गिरने वाली है पार्ट 2 में, राइट? वैसे आपको पहले दिख जाना चाहिए कि एक्स्ट्रा लेफ्ट ओवर है, मेरा मॉड के चल रहा है, ठीक है, तो इसको एक कैरेक्टर बढ़ा देता हूँ, मुझे फ्यूचर में फायदा ही करेगा वो चीज। एक ही बढ़ाना है उसको, जेड नहीं बना देना है, ठीक है? कॉमन सेंस है, क्योंकि आगे नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर आने वाला है ना, तो पहले उसकी हेल्प हो जाएगी अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो। समझे? ये सोच के एक एक बढ़ा रहा है, एक एक बढ़ाएगा तो गारंटीड है कि आप बेस्ट मेथड ट्राई कर रहे हो। फिर भी आपका नहीं हुआ तो आप बोल सकते हो भाई नहीं हो सकता। जावा कोड क्लियर, सी प्लस प्लस कोड क्लियर गाइस, स्टार्ट राइटिंग एस इन द चैट। अच्छा गाइस, करणदीप बोल रहा है नेक्स्ट में क्यों ऐड करेंगे, क्या कोई इसका कॉमन सेंस लगा के जवाब दे सकता है? अरे नेक्स्ट में नहीं करेंगे तो क्या पीछे करना अलाउड है क्या करणदीप, या करंट में करना ऐड अलाउड है क्या? जरा बोलना गाइस, इज इट अलाउड कि जो बचा है उसको ऐसे ही रख दूं मैं ए में, या उसको मैं ए से ए के पीछे भी कुछ होता है क्या? अरे ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, समझो बात को, यू डोंट हैव ऑप्शन, इसलिए जबरदस्ती उसको बढ़ा रहे हैं। अब बढ़ाने में भी करणदीप कैन आस्क मी, भैया व्हाई डिड यू मेक ए टू बी, व्हाई डिड यू नॉट मेक ए टू डी? क्या इसका कोई जवाब दे सकता है? क्यों मैंने ए को बी बनाया, मैंने इसको डी क्यों नहीं बना दिया एक झटके में? क्यों क्यों क्यों? कोई अच्छे से इसका जवाब लिखो। जब हमारा एक्स्ट्रा कचरा होता है तो हम उसको बी क्यों बनाते हैं? क्यों हम लाइन वाइज जा रहे हैं? क्यों हम ए से सीधा डी नहीं बना देते? इसका भी एक सिंपल सा जवाब है। नेक्स्ट एल्गोरिदम आपने A1 A2 में किया ना, अब आपको एल्गोरिदम बी में रन करना है। अभी बी में समझो और बी के कैरेक्टर की जरूरत है, तो कहां से भीख मांगोगे? पहले ही इसको बढ़ा के डी कर दिया बेशर्मों की तरह। तो जो जरूरत है उसको बी बनाओ, अगर जरूरत नहीं पड़ी एक्स्ट्रा है तो कभी ना कभी डी ऑटोमेटिकली बन जाएगा। समझे? इज इट नाउ क्लियर? कैन यू डीपली फील इट? कैन यू डीपली फील इट दैट बी विल अल्टीमेटली बिकम डी ऑटोमेटिकली इफ इट इज नीडेड? जबरदस्ती मत करो उसके साथ, जितना जरूरत है उतना काम करो। हाँ, लास्ट में भी नहीं बना। हाँ, एक बार ये वाला एक्सप्लेन कर दो, ये किसका कोड है? मेरा कोड नहीं है गाइस। निंसी इज आस्किंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस सिंपल कोड। इसका कोई मीनिंग ही नहीं है निंसी, तो एकदम बच्चों वाली बात हो गई। क्या कर रहा हूँ इस कोड में? मैं पहले चेक कर रहा हूँ। अरे भाई, के की वैल्यू कोई फिक्स है क्या? निंसी, इज द के वैल्यू फिक्स्ड? डू यू नो द के वैल्यू इन एडवांस? निंसी, तो के की सारी वैल्यू चेक करूंगा ना मैं निंसी, तो मैं के पे इटरेट मार रहा हूं। फर्स्ट आई एम ट्राइंग फॉर के इक्वल टू 2, देन के इक्वल टू 3, देन के इक्वल टू 4, देन के इक्वल टू 5, टिल के इक्वल टू वी। वी इज व्हाट? वी इज द साइज ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग। उस, अरे भाई, जितना स्ट्रिंग का साइज है उतना ही तो मैं उठा के चेंज कर सकता हूं ना लेटर। इफ ये भी समझाना पड़ेगा, इफ द स्ट्रिंग साइज इज ऑफ 5 देन के कैन बी मैक्सिमम 5 ना भाई, सबको उठा के बढ़ा दो अगर सब सेम है तो, उससे ज्यादा तो नहीं कर सकता ना मैं। ये कॉमन सेंस है कि नहीं गाइस? समझ गया? ओके, नाउ गाइस आई एम शोइंग द पाइथन कोड, सो प्लीज look at, I hope this was a very interesting problem and you were able to learn a lot from this Atlassian OA problem. Congratulations to Atlassian. Till then guys, start discussing the time complexity in the chat. Guys, Python code, favorite one Python, same thing been done, same. You use dictionary in Python, A and B, V1, V5, get the frequencies, check from 2 to V, check function is same guys, you can see same, and job is done. Now time complexity is very interesting. There are t test cases, okay? There are t test cases, so time complexity will be, it will be O of t multiplied by one operation. You have to travel the string na, so say the length of both the string is s, plus you have to do the 26 operations. You have to do the 26 operations na. Your check function is going from A to Z, and you are checking till k less than equal to v. V is length of string. So 26 into s, O of t into 27s, or you can say O of 27ts is the time complexity. 27 is the constant. So what is t? What is s? What is t? What is s? T is 100, s is 1000. 1000 into 100 कितना होता है? 10 raised to 5. So total number of operations are 27 into 10 raised to 5, and this is efficient because this is 2.7 into 10 raised to 6. You can make an algorithm run until it is having 10 raised to 8 operations. It runs in 1 second. Yours 2.7 into 10 raised to 6 is very less compared to 10 raised to 8, and your job is done. Problem is solved, guys. Is everything clear to everyone? Everyone start writing us in the chat. My day was not going good, but finally it is going now good because I was able to explain this hard problem to everyone. Love you, Istakar. Istakar is the best student. See how nicely he's writing the things in the meeting. Okay. Guys, मैं लिख नहीं रहा हूँ, but चलो लिख ही देता हूँ. मैं लिख नहीं रहा हूँ, ये टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी रिकॉर्डिंग में है, याद रखना. It is O of t into s. 27 is the constant you can ignore, but the total number of operation is 27 into t into s. Okay, guys. I was asking for why I equal to 5000. निंसी, इसका भी दिमाग आपको खुद यूज करना पड़ेगा. इन दिस लाइफ गाइस, बताओ निंसे को मैंने I equal to 5000 क्यों लिखा है? कॉमन सेंस यूज करके बताओ I equal to 5000 क्यों लिखा मैंने? यूज कीजिए कॉमन सेंस. V की वैल्यू 1000 ही हो सकती है ना भाई. हाँ, 1000 ही हो सकती है ना. तो जैसे ही मुझे आंसर ट्रू मिल गया, आगे क्यों इटरेट करूंगा? ब्रेक लिख दो, या तो I को इतना बड़ा लिख दो कि लूप से बाहर चला जाए. बस यार. Anyways guys, thank you for helping me out. Okay guys, thank you Satyam. Guys, for now I am stopping the recording and the session. Okay, 3 2 1. With the name of God, Ram Ram.